so many
France, no, 7 companies from many countries: Switzerland, Israel, Japan, and France.
and France, because I see Frank that will finish the series. So are we ready? Dear jury members, are you ready? Did you have your voting application? You know, you got the way to rank the startups, but you also have, with your point out system, the way to be connected with the jury in clicking out on the blue button. Astrid is remotely connected and she's belonging to the jury. How are you doing, Astrid? Yeah,
Hello
thank you.
from Las Vegas, and thank you very much for being with us, because it's very, very, very late in Europe already, and on Friday evening, just before starting the weekend. So thank you very much.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much. Okay, are you ready? Let's start the overview and the tech review of the best tech in mobility. Let's go.
Let's go for 90-second pitches.
Okay, who's going to be the first?
Swiss company is Kivo. And they will demonstrate directly on the stage their technology.
And this is the demonstration. Do you need a microphone just to explain what's going on when you're doing the demonstration?
Hello, yeah, so this is a stair climbing electric wheelchair, and what I'm going to do is autonomously climbing up this stair. So all I'm going to do is pull back the joystick, and the wheelchair does everything by himself.
So can you describe the structure and what you're looking for?
Sorry? Yeah, we are looking for partners, but mainly for investors, as we are raising a Series B right now. So if
join us on the stage. I cannot say jump on the stage, right?
Yeah, we should say that, but it could be risky, let's say.
It could be risky.
Okay, Thomas, go ahead for your pitch.
No, wait. Come on the
Thank you very much.
stage.
Just 1 second.
Take your time.
1 second, because I want to
Take your time. No accident. Be careful, please.
So,
here we are. Welcome.
Okay.
So, you need the clicker, you need the microphone. Your microphone, Marc Lionel, please.
The microphone, Marc Lionel, please. Here it is.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Just 1 second.
Yes. Tell me when you're ready.
Good, wonderful. So, now I'm ready.
Okay, 90 seconds. Good luck.
So, hi guys. Let me tell you how we're gonna change the world. My name is Thomas. I'm co-founder and chief commercial officer of Skivo. Now, what are we doing? In today's world, there are so many obstacles, such as curbs or stairs. And these obstacles limit not only humans, but also robotic mobility solutions. Now, who's suffering the most of it? Of course, people in the wheelchair. 1 billion people in the world has a disability, and almost every 10th of it is depending on a wheelchair. Now, a lot has been done. I mean, we are creating elevators, we are creating stair lifts, but take a look out there in Las Vegas. How many times are those services out of service? So it's clear that we need a solution to overcome this, and we did it. So we've built a fully equipped electric wheelchair in combination with a stair climbing function. We say it's the Tesla in the wheelchair industry because it's a computer on 2 big wheels. We are balancing on these 2 big wheels, such as a Segway, but we can move it via joystick. The device has sensors around, and we can also update it over the air. So the product gets even more intelligent by time. Now, of course, the product is looking good, but this is not normal in the wheelchair industry, and we couldn't understand why this is. Now, the wheelchair can elevate the seat. I can show you here. We can elevate the seat to grab something out of a shelf. We can lower it down, and we can also remote control to load it into a car.
5 seconds.
This device gives huge flexibility and independence for people in a wheelchair. And if you guys want to be part of our success story as an investor, just come to our booth right next there. Thank you very much.
Okay,
you are looking for
your
investors,
questions.
is the right place for you. It was Kivo from The
Switzerland.
nation,
Good job, Thomas.
Switzerland.
First candidate. Now let's call the second one. So
We
don't
move
go
to
too bad because you could have questions from the jury members. Okay, but you
But
can
you
go.
have
You can.
to-
Okay, you can leave the stage. Okay, but lots of candidates will come
Yes.
in between. Okay.
We will ask you a question later on, so please.
Okay.
Okay, we move to another technician, Israel. Israel with a company Carterav. I don't know if I pronounce correctly, probably not.
No.
But are you with us?
Are they here?
Israel.
No, not. Yeah.
Not the same company, okay.
Okay,
Not-
one,
no,
two, three.
three.
Let's move up to the next candidate.
Back to Switzerland with the company Xperify.
Xperify, ladies and
Xperify,
gentlemen.
are you with us?
Xperify, are you here?
Yes.
Xperify, where are you? Lost
No
away.
Xperify,
We've
but they are
lost
here
you.
for sure because we are the Swiss Pavilion. But probably speaking with clients or other business partners. Xperify. Ah, yes.
So that's
Here
your
we
turn.
are.
Okay, okay. Go ahead, Max. The clicker.
The floor is yours for 90 seconds. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Is this even on? Okay. Thank you very much. So I'm Max. I'm with Xperify. We're a Swiss company, and what we do is we leverage brands' customers to build trust and sell more, as it says. So the problems we set out to solve was that for micromobility brands and e-commerce, there really hasn't been innovation before the cart. And what we aim to do is to increase conversions that have been stagnant since the dawn of Amazon and increase confidence in buyers. So what is the solution here? The solution is to create a system where existing product owners of brands can continuously add value to the company by being a point of experience, trust, and authenticity for undecided buyers. So how does this look? What we do is we integrate directly onto brands, and we put the brand's existing customers, their network, right on the website, so that as a shopper, I can see where customers are, I can interact with them directly or meet them in person for direct-to-consumer brands to have physical touch points wherever their customers live. Now, the things that we do really well is adding social proof by increasing confidence, by allowing people to interact. We increase the conversions as we see a 3x increase in likelihood of buying. We create stronger customer loyalty by engaging with the brand's existing customers and bringing those fans onto their website. And we learn about the buying decisions and the hesitations of potential customers. In the case study we've seen with Rad-On Bikes out of Germany, we've seen over 300 locals on board. These are existing product owners. We've tracked the purchases and we've seen incredible ROIs. Some of the brands that trust Xperify that are around,
5 seconds.
as you can see, we've grown really fast and had a 600% growth this year alone. Thank you.
Thank you to you.
Thank
you
you
very
very
much.
much.
It was
Thank you. Very
Xperify
good job.
from Switzerland. Stay
Second
around because we will
candidate.
start soon the Q&A session, so don't move too far away, Xperify.
Who's
Ok-
going to be the third, Sylvain?
Okay, we are very far away from Switzerland, but very happy to have Japan with us, with the company Lubic.
No candidate, Hajime Mashite, come on stage right now. And
You
we are
speak very
happy.
well Japanese, Makenel.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
huh?
no, yeah, huh?
I'm always very
Tanako-san,
impressed.
Welcome on board. Yamanaka-san, Hajime Mashite.
Hajimemashite. Yeah.
Do you have the clicker? Yes.
I speak. Do my presentation by myself.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes,
I think
I'm
yes.
ready.
Okay, floor is yours.
Can I start? Okay. We are Rubik, serving spatial cognition with sound navigation system with sound AR. So when you come to the venue, which time did you spend much more? Like watching map up or enjoying the scenery? I guess you waste a lot of time concentrating on the map application, so cannot enjoy the scenery in the Las Vegas. So why did you waste a lot of time just watching the map application? we solve this problem with it. The solution, those who are struggling with spatial cognition impairment, getting lost easily, those kind of people cannot use map application. So with these devices, they can move around so easily with this device. Because this navigates you to the destination with sound and vibration through a ball conduction. So, and we are developing application and device at the same time. So when you use application, you can use existing smart headset as well. So you don't have to buy these devices all the time. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Japanese startup Luvik.
Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Keep up with us because you should have questions coming from the jury members.
I will not try to speak in Japanese.
Yes, I'm working my Japanese. I have to make efforts.
Congratulations.
Owen has a better Japanese than mine.
Congratulations.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let's start the first Q&A session, right?
Okay, yes. Who's going to be the next? The Q&A, the first questions. So, dear jury members, have you prepared questions for any of our startups? Who wants to ask a question? Any question, Anita? Any question, Astrid? Questions? Okay, thank you. Lucky we have Anita because she also have she's a super investor. Then Astrid will have one. Let's start by Anita and then Astrid. Okay, go ahead.
For Luvik, I just was curious about how does it work and what stage are you at in your deployment of this solution?
A question for Luvik.
Okay, Takanao-san.
Okay, this device is connected to the application. You can install to your smartphone application. And this application connects to the map services like Google Map. It's not Google Map. We are not at the stage we can sell to the market, but we are planning to launch this spring, this application. Is it okay?
Okay, thank you very much. Domo arigato. Any more questions from you? Astrid, one question, please. Average price share, Thomas.
The average price. So as I told, it's a combination of two medical aids, and the combination starts at $40K.
Okay, that's very clear and short questions. Any more questions for any of our candidates? All right, let's move up to the second series of pictures.
Okay, 4 startups to go. Back to Switzerland. We only have tech nations today on the stage. Switzerland with Avatronics.
Okay, Avatronics, come on stage.
Avatronics.
The clicker, the microphone is all you. You have only one slide.
You have one slide, but it's great.
Yeah. 90 seconds. I don't think we can use more. Can you hear me?
Yes, the microphone, please.
Does it work? Oh, I think it's
okay,
better.
90 seconds.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jayron, and I'm co-founder of Avatronics, and we are a noise cancellation company. If you ever use a noise-canceling headphone, you notice that it cancels some noises, but not everything. And we have resolved this problem by applying our technology to any headphone that you can see in the market. I don't have my slide here. I can see that. Basically, we have started with the headphone. It's something that we are demonstrating here. But the same technology can be applied to automotive and airplanes and trains, and basically through the seats and the speakers that are in the seats of the car, we can cancel the noise that you hear in the cars. Specifically, they are very important for the electric cars because they need to be light. They cannot have insulation, and they are very noisy. So in order to provide a good, comfortable, luxurious kind of experience, you need to do a noise reduction inside the car, and this is something we are doing. Here we are looking for partners and investors for our next round of financing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Perfect timing. It was Avatronics on the Swiss stage. We will put our slide on the platform. Sorry about that for the inconvenience. So back to Israel. Cardum. It's you. It's your company.
Where you are.
You are most welcome here in Switzerland. We are friends in technologies. So Cardum, are you ready? Okay, 90 seconds. Floor is yours.
Hi. Backed by Amazon Alexa and Hyundai, Cardome is changing the way we interact with machines. Most projections show that by 2028, the voice AI market will exceed $50 billion. In-car voice technologies today are much more than just pulling up navigations or music hands-free. Most car manufacturers building driving experience which is much more than traveling from one point to another, but rather filled with essential safety measures and connectivity options. However, sorry guys, it happens.
No stress.
For the voice technology to fulfill its potential, the devices we use to interact with need to have a human-level understanding of the acoustic environment they're in. Humans have spatial hearing and can intuitively understand and focus on the desired sounds in the space. Cardome's spatial hearing technology knows who are the speakers, where they are located, and what they are saying in the most challenging acoustic environments. Only Cardome has the expertise and the groundbreaking technology that allow devices to hear like humans. Our voice AI technology has been validated by top automotive and consumer electronic manufacturers and is available on any hardware and software platform. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You. It was Cardome from Israel.
The clicker, please. Thank you very much. Who's gonna be the next
star? Back to Switzerland.
Back to
Two startups to go with Lighthouse.
Lighthouse Tech from Switzerland.
Lighthouse.
Where are you?
Lighthouse.
Run. Okay, oh, yeah, very good. Okay, Nathan, that's your turn. Go ahead.
Welcome. You have the clicker, not yet. Lighthouse, you have your presentation on the screen.
One slide, so
one slide. Okay, great. So, floor is yours.
Great, thank you. The past 2 decades have seen incredible technological progress in every aspect of our lives as we see here today. But for people living with blindness and vision impairment, their most trusted tool for getting around on foot has remained virtually unchanged for centuries. It's a long stick. But here's the problem. The white cane is completely ineffective at detecting obstacles in the vulnerable zone above the waist. Vulnerability and fear of injury are such powerful drivers that in the end many decide to stay at home. At Lighthouse Tech, we bring together 90+ years of experience in the eyewear industry, design, and embedded engineering. We've talked with 3 blind associations and engaged 2 Swiss clinics in ophthalmology and rehabilitation. And the result is this device. These are eyewear frames that use sensors to detect obstacles at up to 3 meters in front of the user and warn them with the vibration. They're light, reliable, and perhaps most importantly, they're actually made to look good on you. Yes, this is important. 80 million people need something that's as trustworthy as the white cane, but that can provide full body protection. Right now, we're raising $500,000 to move beyond the R&D phase and go to market. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Timing,
thank you.
Very clear what you are looking for. Thank you very much. It was Lighthouse from Switzerland. Last but not least,
he
from
was
France,
the winner last year of this competition,
exactly.
so he's re-invited. Will he keep its title this year? We'll see.
Back.
Will the solution be better than last year? Let's see. Franz, that's your turn.
You know, it's going to be very tough because we have seen a very lovely presentation. Congratulations. I like your glasses. And as I'm driving an EV, and I have seen that some people are making some stuff to avoid noise and so on, maybe you can make a very nice combination. Don't you think?
An innovation squad.
So my name is Frank, and I'm the CEO of Delmonicos. And, well, let's start by this. You know, the planet is burning. 70% of fossil oil are consumed by internal combustion engine, right? And if we want to fix it, we need to have electromobility. We need to have EVs. But to have EVs, we need to have very solid network and very easy, accessible charging station network. Agree? Who is driving EV here? So you are. You know how complex it is to charge your car. isn't it? You know why? Because 80% of EV drivers have to subscribe to multiple charging pass stations to have access. If you don't have those cards, you cannot have access. And even tough, sometimes you pay very, very high price. So we want to throw this away. Sorry, madam. And we want to find a solution that will allow any EV driver to access charging station without any pass, without any subscription. Just with a mobile phone, you plug, you charge your car, and you go away, right? We want to offer this disruptive solution by using blockchain. Very, very, very high-tech, but very easy to use, right? So we are providing plug-and-charge experience that will make it easy. And finally, we are addressing 3 different types of players in the market to make this happening. Charging station manufacturer, platform manufacturer, and car manufacturer. And this will allow a solution to become fully compatible with any cars, and we will create a universal network of charging stations to make it easy for everybody. And we will save the planet. That's it.
That's it.
Very good job,
Very
Frank.
good job.
Very impressive.
Thank you.
Frank
you very
is already
much.
belonging to one of the My Global Village Innovation Squad, gathering the best in class from all over the world concerning the garage of the future. And if you want to join, please make us a sign.
And I will
Is
be
it-
one of your clients for sure because I have an e-car and it's a nightmare.
Yeah, I follow you on I find
It
it
was
was
in
on
France,
Facebook.
by the way, in
Yes.
France, in your country.
Yeah,
in
my country. We don't talk about electricity
Okay,
in France.
it's
Okay.
already
Wha-
already all for this session. 7 startups
Any
from many
question
countries.
for any candidates?
Any question?
Any questions? We're going to welcome one of our friends, Patrice, the time that our jury members end up their boat. Please, dear jury, any questions, Anita? No, yeah? You good?
Anita.
One question. Thank you for being a strong question asker. We need that.
I have lots
Okay.
of questions. So for Lighthouse Tech,
Come on
my
stage.
question was, do you need the FDA approval to get it to people to wear it in the US? And I don't know what your exposure is in the US so far, and also what is sort of the risk exposure if it doesn't work or if it fails to work or something?
Right. So this is our exposure in the US so far. I'll answer that first. Yes, we need FDA approval. It should be 510K exempt. We've talked to somebody, we have a consultant in Switzerland working on this. And finally, risk exposure. Yes, we're quite aware of risk exposure. We don't make fantastic claims that this is going to substitute the white cane or any other technology for that matter. But we think this is going to be helpful. We're testing first in the DACH region, so we're moving out slowly. We're not coming to the US until we're sure that we've got something that's working well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Another question, Anita?
So for Cardome, my question was, do the cars have to incorporate this technology in the manufacturing? And are you in talks with car manufacturers? What is the reception?
We are working with, am I being heard? We are working with car manufacturers. This technology is basically embedded on edge, so it can be whether inside infotainment systems or inside the in-vehicle ECUs.
But it cannot be incorporated in the car without being part of the
Correct.
manufacturer.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Dear jury members, please end up your vote right now. Have you chosen? No more question. Astrid, no more question. Or remote jury, no more question. It's time to know the candidate. Please come on stage, Patrick. Because we are lucky to have a super strong worldwide partner, media partner from TV5 Monde. And Patrice is the manager of the USA. And not only because he's in the group, the innovation guy. How is this CES going on?
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Hello Marc Lionel and Sylvain. Yeah, it's great to be here, and as a global media reaching now more than 400 million homes worldwide. We're very involved in French and Francophone innovation, and it's really great for us to support this initiative. Of course, the Global Village now for many years, and we're very happy to see CES back as it is today, and all the initiatives, new initiative, innovation, startups, Francophone startups here at CES. So stay tuned. We will soon announce a big project on our network. So thank you, and have a great show here.
Thank you very much,
Very
Patrick.
happy
Thank you
to
for your
have you
support.
on the stage with TV5 Monde.
Yes.
Martinel, just before having the result.
Okay, David, for the
just
result.
before having the result, if you want to have a VR experience, a VR immersive experience, and move to Switzerland from Las Vegas in 1 second, we have a VR box just on the left-hand side. If you want to take part in this VR experience, don't hesitate.
Crazy words.
It's free
That's
of charge.
mind-blowing.
Nothing
Really.
is free of charge normally in Las Vegas, but here it's free of charge. Okay, Martinel.
Okay, the results are going hopefully.
The third best startup for
the
this session.
third one is
Delmonico's.
Delmonico. You're still in the Hall of Fame right now this year. Who's gonna be number 2?
Number 2.
Lighthouse Tech. Congratulations
position,
from Lugano,
congratulations.
joining up the My Global Village Hall of Fame. And the first one who's
The best of this session,
is
Swico.
the smartest climbing
Congratulations.
wheelchair.
You
Jump
win.
on stage with or without your chair. Come on, come on.
You win a place.
Okay, come on,
You win
dear
a
winners,
place for
come
a
on,
super
the winners.
final.
Where is
Hello.
the third one? Come on, Frank. Okay, are you happy for your prize for the picture of the winners? You can stay for the picture, Patrice. Huh? Okay, one word. Patrice, come on. One word, something to add? Thomas?
Hey, thank you very much. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be here, and of course, a pleasure to win this thing.
Very, very good job. We're longing to see you now all years long. Thanks to My Global Village, you'll be connected most innovative tech event all over the planet. Get prepared to join the innovation squad and to hunt together new clients all over the planet. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
You have
Thank
your
you.
place for the super final on Saturday with the best startups.
Yeah, the 9 best in each category. Mobility is going to be you, Thomas. Thank you, guys. See you in a while. Bye-bye.